Hello, it's Chris, and what I'm going to do is take you through how I use this dryer vent cleaning system to purge out a lot of nastiness in my dryer. Picked it up over a year ago. This will be my second time using it. Without further ado, let's put it to work and show you how I did this for one particular stretch of my 40-foot plus dryer vent system.
That tiny little speck you see way down, that's the light at the end of the tunnel. What I'm going to do is turn the glow on here. You won't be able to see the end at this point, but you can get an idea of, what we're looking at. And we're going to send this rotary brush down and see what we can get out.
By some curse of design, I have about a 40-foot run from my dryer to the exterior of the house. So it's asinine. But I'll give you a quick view of that. And well, yeah, this is my bench, whatever. So here's a view of just before it goes up into the exterior, but it goes across my basement. And if that's not enough, you can see where it goes into the wall behind this half bath through that wall. And then it goes into here. This is where it comes out. And I disconnected at the elbow. These things will probably go around bends, but it's all right. And it goes across here and up, and then the dryer is right up there. So totally ridiculous. So we're going to run this thing through here and clean this all out. So the first thing we're going to do is just attach this little gimbal on here. I call it a gimbal for lack of anything else to call it. And I find the best thing to do is to just let the drill kind of do the work of threading these things. All right. And then what we'll do is on the very end here, this just spins on kind of nice. This is easy enough. So we're going to send it in about like 5-foot lengths. And then we'll stick another several foot length on and feed it in from there. And I'll show you that at the site. So this is we're going to start right here. So this is the run that goes all the way along the cellar wall. It goes through the wall right there, behind that half bath I showed you, and all the way into that kind of under the stairs storage area. And I'm going to put enough, it's a straight run, but enough length on here for the brush to go all the way through there. Let's start by feeding it in here. So we're going to start with a comparatively short length here, just to get it feeding in. Get that going in there. Foot length or so. And we will keep doing this until we hit the wall on the far side of the house. And like I said, never run this counterclockwise, because you're going to disassemble parts of it down in your ductwork somewhere, and you'll never get them out easily. All right, so we've hit the end of the run here, and what we're going to do is just kind of go back and forth through this whole length of tubing. One thing I can assure you is that you'll probably need some kind of a tool to twist these apart, because they do end up locking together pretty tightly, just to kind of break it free. And then they kind of just twist right out. I just can't do it with my bare hands. Butterfingers. Whatever. All right. Back on and pull this back out. Look at that, huh? That's what we want to see.
So let's look through our tube here now that we've reamed all this crap out of here. And that's a lot better.
All right, let's blow some vacuum air through this from the shop vac and see what comes out. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now we have to just pick up all the crap. All right, Happy New Year all. Enjoy, be safe. I'm not telling you what to do, and thanks for watching.